what's good guys? It's your boy Stonix coming back at you with another video. So today I have a super cool video for you guys, but before we do start, let me explain the shirt that I am wearing right now. This is actually really cool. So basically, our new sponsor to the channel, I mentioned this in a community thing not too long ago, but our new sponsor to the channel is Gentlemen's Driving Club. Basically, their motive is to give you something that you can wear to kind of represent your passion for cars and stuff like that. And they have a whole ton of stuff on their website, like t-shirts. I think they have a hoodie, some beanies, stuff like that. So if you guys do want to go cop something that looks like this, like it actually looks really clean, and let me tell you, it's actually pretty soft too, which I know most YouTubers say that anyways, but like this is actually really soft. So if you do want to support them and support your boy, then go over to their website and you guys can actually use code Stonix for 15% off. So if you guys want to go do that, help your boy out, it would mean the world to me. Plus you can get a t-shirt or whatever you get that actually looks really clean, and they have a few different designs on there. So link is down in the description, or just go to gentlemensdrivingclub.com, and like I said, use code Stonix for 15% off your order. But anywho, getting right into the video, basically I was sent this mystery box from Tuned in Tokyo. Now if you don't know who Tuned in Tokyo is, they're a familiar name on channels like Eliminate and stuff like that, and they host their own event in SoCal, and basically they have these mystery boxes where you kind of know what you're getting in them, but you don't. Like, you know that you're getting so many t-shirts or so many hoodies or whatever the case is, but you don't know like what kind of shirts or what kind of hoodies those are. So that's what's exciting about this. I actually have the box on the floor because I have like nowhere to actually properly put it, but don't worry, it's just literally a brown box, so don't think that it's like some sort of special box that needs to be seen. But I just wanted to open this and get my first reactions of whatever is in the box. So if you guys are hyped, make sure to smash the like button just because I told you to, I guess. I don't know. Anywho, let's just get right into this. So alright, so to start off, we actually have this really cool sticker. It's a Super Street Legends sticker. I don't know what I'm going to put this on. I'm probably going to put it on like my bumper on my car. I don't know. That's pretty cool though. Next up on the list, ooh, we got a nice clean little beanie. It says Street Legends Worldwide. I actually quite like that. You know what? Hold on. This beanie's actually really cool. Alright, cool. I've actually been needing a new beanie as well, so that works. That's perfect. What's up next? Oh, yo, this is... Whoa. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm actually just gonna, like, show you guys the shirt. So hold on, let me just... That probably wasn't as smooth as I thought it would have been, but this is sick. Look at this. It's got a wrench. It's got the rose. It says Street Legends. Best part, check out the back. Street Legends, Racing Division, Legends Never Die, bro. I think this is going to be my favorite shirt right here. This is actually really cool. Why are you not in focus? Okay, next thing in the box. Yeet. Okay, this one's actually pretty clean. I actually quite like this design. That looks neat. Check the sleeves. You got 15. I don't know what 15 means, but sure. Legends. Oh, that's clean. I like that. Is there anything on the back? Nope, there's nothing. Alright, next. I really get the feeling these transitions are not as clean as I think they're gonna look, but who cares? Anyways, this one is actually really cool. It says Anti-Stock Car Club. This is clean. Hold on. Check the back. It says the same. These are actually pretty soft, too. Now, this one's cool, though. I actually quite like this one. It's super clean, super simple. I love that. Anywho, next up. Oh, this one's actually sick. Yo, I actually like this one. So if you can't see it, it's got the R32, R33, R34, R35. Dude, this is actually sick. Actually, I like it. It says Street Legends up here. Dude, I actually quite like this one. This one's pretty neat. I think we have one more shirt, so let me just show you that one real quick. Alright. I don't know why I'm doing that as a transition. It just, you know. Anyways, this one's really cool. It's a long sleeve, this one. The other ones are short sleeves. But this one says International Legends with Street Legends at the bottom with the finish line pattern. This one's actually really cool. Repping the all gray setup going on right now. I quite like this. Alright, so that was all for t-shirts. I'm just going to show you the hoodies that are in here and give you my reactions to those. Okay, so this one's literally the same thing. It's the shirt, but it's in hoodie form. It's pretty cool. Oh, this one's actually really clean. I actually like this. I like the color of it. It says Tokyo Motorsports. It says Legends. I don't know what logo that is. I'm probably just retarded. Got Tokyo on the top left. We got the finish line pattern. Oh, that's clean. Dude, I actually really like this hoodie. I think this might be my new favorite hoodie, if I'm honest with you. Okay, so that's it for t-shirts and hoodies. So that's enough for the clothing. Now moving on to a couple of other things that are in this box, which are actually really cool in my opinion. So there's this box. I don't really know what's in it. It says Street Legends on it. Let's open it. What is this? This is what I see. First thing I see. Take the paper off. Ah, I didn't mean to hit the mic. Oh, yo, this is sick. Oh, this is actually really cool. It's a carbon fiber Street Legends wallet. Oh, this is sick. It's not a trifold, it's a bifold. Oh, and the inside is like this nice red color. Oh, that's actually so clean. Okay, so for the next thing. Oh, this is really cool. It's a Street Legends key tag thing that you can throw on your keys. Actually, where are my keys? Okay, actually, where did they go? What the heck? Oh no, they're literally right in front of my eyes. Alright, so let me throw this on real quick. So, there you go. You got my keys. You got the Street Legends tag. That's actually pretty cool. Alright, moving on to the next thing. Oh, it actually has something else to do with the keys. It's a lanyard. Oh, this is sick. It just has Street Legends on it. That's upside down and backwards. There you go. Street Legends lanyard. This is cool, actually. And then for the last and final thing, this is actually really exciting. I'm actually really hyped about this one. It's a backpack, and the straps are like the freaking racing belts, and that's actually really, and like, oh, that's really cool. Like, it has a little metal bit where you pull, like, you tighten the belts. Oh, that's actually cool. So of course it says Street Legends, and then on the front it says Bride. Oh, yo, that's sick. With the Tune in Tokyo little tag. That is actually really cool. Well, I have a new camera bag. Oh, yo, I didn't even notice that. The little zipper things, it says JDM on it. That's really cool. Alright, hold on. I gotta do something real quick. Okay, there we go. That's a bit better. Gotta rep the Gentleman's Driving Club now. Don't forget, use code Stonix for 15% off. And I know it's called Gentleman's Driving Club, but even you females, you guys can rep this stuff too. Like, this actually, like, you don't have to be a man to wear this. This looks actually really cool. But anyway, guys, that's all that's in the box. Half the stuff in that box was actually super, super neat. In fact, I think that red hoodie was actually a hoodie that Eliminate or Randy wears a lot, I think. I don't know. But that's actually really freaking cool. And that Rose t-shirt as well. Oh, that's so clean. I couldn't be happier with that one. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to smash the thumbs up button, because I think that's what the cool kids say. But anywho, guys, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to smash the subscribe button to see a whole ton of cool content that is going to be coming up on this channel very, very soon, and all the car shows that are going to be starting up. It's definitely something to get hyped for. But as for now, guys, make sure to follow me everywhere else. Links are in the description, so definitely go do that. Anywho, guys, my name is Stonix Lance. Don't forget, stay strong and just keep pushing forward, and use code Stonix for 15% off. See you guys later. See ya.